The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain Illinois adult guardianship visitation. So when an incapacitated adult has a guardian named for them because they're not able to make financial or personal decisions for themselves, they still have a right to have contact with parents, children, siblings, and other loved ones. This includes visits, verbal or written conversations, email, and texting. So sometimes loved ones disagree with the way that the guardian is handling the guardianship, and this can cause tensions or disagreements to occur between loved ones and the guardian. And when this happens, sometimes the guardian will try to improperly block visitation with the disabled adult and their loved ones. Certain parties may be able to petition the court for court-ordered visitation in these situations. So let's first talk about who can petition the court for court-ordered visitation. Adult children of the disabled adult, the spouse of the disabled adult, adult grandchildren of the disabled adult, parents and adult siblings are able to petition for visitation according to the Probate Act. So how do they do this, and how do courts decide? They do this by filing a petition for a visitation schedule, and courts decide whether to grant it based on the best interest of the adult. So there will be a hearing if it's contested, at which the guardian will present evidence as to why the visitation is not in the best interest of the adult, and the person seeking visitation will present evidence as to why it is in the best interest of the disabled adult. So if the question that courts really look at is, if the disabled adult were competent, would the disabled adult have wanted to engage in the type of visitation that is being petitioned for? If the court isn't able to determine this, they'll look at several factors to determine whether to allow the visitation. One is the reason and the nature of the proposed visitation. Number two is the benefit or necessity of the proposed visitation. Three is the possible risks and other consequences of the proposed visitation. Four is available alternatives to the proposed visitation and their risks, consequences, and benefits. And finally, number five is any other information at hand, including the views of family and friends of the disabled adult. So we've talked about when people can petition for visitation. Let's talk about circumstances in which it is appropriate and legal for the guardian to restrict visitation. One circumstance is when the disabled adult expresses to the guardian and at least one other person his or her wish to restrict the visitation. Another is when there's a court order authorizing the guardian to restrict contact with a particular person. A third situation in which the guardian can limit visitation is when there's an investigation or court proceeding concerning alleged abuse of the disabled adult relating to the particular person that the restriction applies to. And finally, if the guardian believes that the disabled adult is being harmed physically, emotionally, or mentally by the proposed visitation. And when restricting visitation, the guardian should file a petition with the court to limit the visitation with a family member of the disabled adult. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and you'll be notified of our daily article and video topics that we're posting. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.